Most sports leagues take decades to become valuable. The Indian Premier League did something different. It took cricket, already loved by hundreds of millions, and rebuilt it for television, sponsors, celebrities, and smartphones. That is why the IPL is not just a cricket league. It is a great sports business case study. Before the IPL, cricket was powerful but slow. Test matches could last 5 days. One-day matches could still take most of your day. For hardcore fans, that was beautiful. For younger viewers, families, advertisers, and primetime TV, it was difficult. Then came T20 cricket. 20 overs per side, roughly 3 hours, more boundaries, more sixes, more pressure, and less dead time. Suddenly, cricket fit into an evening. That unlocked the first part of the IPL flywheel: attention. But attention alone was not enough. The IPL turned cricket into a full entertainment product. It added city teams, player auctions, celebrity owners, fireworks, packed stadiums, and constant storylines. A cricket match became a nightly event. During the season, it became appointment viewing. One game is interest. Every night for 2 months is a media asset. The second piece was scarcity. The BCCI controlled India's most important cricket ecosystem: the players, legitimacy, calendar, and national cricket machine. That meant the IPL was not just another startup league. It had the resource everyone wanted: real cricket stars in a format built for mass entertainment. You can copy T20 cricket. You cannot easily copy the official ecosystem behind it. The third piece was the franchise model. Instead of one central owner, the IPL sold teams to private owners. That brought in capital, local identity, and celebrity power. Mumbai had Reliance. Kolkata had Shah Rukh Khan. Chennai, Rajasthan, Bangalore, and other teams built fan bases with their own personalities. The teams made the league feel local. The central media rights made it feel national. That combination is powerful. Local emotion, national scale. Then came the player auction. On paper, it allocated players. As a product, it was brilliant. Who would buy the superstar? Which young player would suddenly become worth millions? Which team had the smartest plan? The auction turned roster building into entertainment before the season even started. That became a recurring IPL theme. Every operational decision also became content. Now look at media. The IPL was designed for broadcasters. Short matches, reliable schedules, star players, city rivalries, big crowds, and repeatable drama. That made it incredibly attractive to TV networks. Then cheap mobile data changed everything again. As India came online, the IPL moved from TV product to streaming giant. The same match could reach people on phones, in trains, in offices, in small towns, and across the world. That created the next flywheel. More viewers attracted bigger media deals. Bigger media deals made teams more valuable. More valuable teams attracted better owners and sponsors. Better production made the league feel bigger. And a bigger league attracted even more viewers. That is how the IPL became a compounding machine. Of course, the story was not clean. There were scandals, governance problems, betting controversies, and Lalit Modi was pushed out and banned. But here is the business lesson. A fragile product collapses when the founder leaves. A strong system survives. The IPL survived because the core machine was bigger than one person. The format worked. The audience cared. The media rights were valuable. The teams had identity. And Indian cricket had rare cultural gravity. So what is the IPL really? It is not only cricket. It is a media company, a live events business, a celebrity platform, a franchise network, an advertising engine, and a national habit wrapped inside a sports league. That is why investors care about it. That is why broadcasters fight for it. And that is why global sports leagues watch it closely. The IPL shows that the future of sports is not just the game on the field. It is packaging the game into a repeatable entertainment system. Stars, scarcity, local identity, media rights, and a reason to come back. Can the IPL become the world's most valuable sports league? Maybe not immediately. The NFL still has unmatched economics. But the IPL has something rare. A massive domestic market, global cricket fandom, digital distribution, and room to expand. If it grows without damaging the product, the ceiling is enormous. The lesson for any business builder is simple. Do not just build a product people like. Build a system where attention, distribution, identity, and economics make each other stronger. That is what the IPL did. It did not just shorten cricket, it rebuilt cricket for the modern entertainment economy, and that is how the IPL became cricket's money machine.